गगन दमामा बाजयो.
And the body is the temple. It has flaws. In Sikhi, in Kundalini Yoga, we call chakras. One day, somebody was talking to Kabir. Baba Kabir came from poor background, and this very rich man said, Kabir, you're very poor. My house has 13 or 15 floors. You live in a hut. Like, Kabir laughed. He said, yeah, true. But the difference is I'm sitting on my 10th floor. At which floor are you at in your house? Have you recognized the floors in your house? My house, I'm in the 10th floor. I was like, he lives in a hut, or how can he have 10 floors? But Kabir was talking about his third eye, Dasam Dwar. He said, I'm sitting here, my friend, and I see the world. Dasam,